Good morning and Jai Hind. Today I am going to start the first chapter in our literature book, that is The Selfish Giant. As the name of the chapter suggests, it is the story of the giant who is selfish. The story is all about how the giant transformed from selfish to the kind one. The main characters of the story are the giant and the boy. This story is written by Oscar Wilde. Now, let us read the story. At the top, two quotes are given. Let us read them. It is impossible to be both selfish and happy. And the other one is, selfishness indeed a fantastic way to be miserable. Do you agree with the ideas in the two quotes given above? It is up to you, students, how you connect yourself to these quotes. Actually, the main idea behind both the quotes is that a person may be either happy or selfish. The selfish man cannot be happy and he makes his life miserable because of his selfish behavior. Let's read further. Share with your classmates examples of people you know who are truly unselfish. Are they happy people? Make a list of the behaviors that may be described as unselfish. Do you know anyone who is very selfish? Is he or she a happy person? Can you make a list of actions that qualify as selfish behavior? Okay, students, this is a short activity for you which you can do at your home and share your views with me in my personal window. Before reading the story, you should know that the selfish giant is the owner of a beautiful garden and he doesn't like anyone to play there. The story starts when the children were playing in the giant's garden in his absence. Let us read the story. Every afternoon, as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in giant's garden. It was a huge, lovely garden with beautiful flowers like stars, and 12 peach trees that are the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. How happy we are here, they cried to each other. In this paragraph, the beauty of the garden is described. The garden was quite large and lovely, as there were various beautiful flowers which looks like stars and 12 peach trees which give beautiful flowers in the spring season and fruits in autumn. Children used to go and play in the giant's garden while returning from school every afternoon, and they were quite happy while playing there. Let's read further. One day the giant came back. He had been to visit his friend the Cornish ogre and had stayed with him for 7 years. When he arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden. "What are you doing here?" he demanded in a very gruff voice, and the children ran away. Okay. Giant was gone to his friend's place, Cornish ogre, and after staying there for about 7 years, he came back and saw the children playing in his garden. Due to which Giant became very angry and asked the children very rudely, what are they doing in his garden? And because of this, children got frightened and ran away from there. Let's read further. "My own garden is my own garden," declared the giant, "and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself." So he built a high wall all around it and put up a notice board saying, "Trespassers will be prosecuted." Okay, students. After this, the giant roared and announced that the garden was his property and no one is allowed to play in his garden except he himself. Then he built a huge wall around his garden and placed a notice board saying, "Trespassers will be prosecuted."